The first thing we want to do is pressure wash the stone. What this does is stop any type of chemical being absorbed into the stone. The next step is to apply our peroxide. The peroxide is going to kill that mold. Then that product is washed away. The next step is a product that's going to help break down the soiling. That product's washed away. The next step is applying chlorine. The chlorine simply just bleaches the surface. That is then washed away and pressure washed. The most crucial step, neutralizing. What this does is get your stone back to a neutral pH and removes all remaining residue. This here will keep your stone cleaner for longer and most importantly, looks after your stone. The next step is to seal your stone. Now, depending on what type of stone you have will depend on what particular penetrating sealer we use. Once that's been applied, we then put on another penetrating sealer which is going to work for your stains as well as organic matter. This product does contain antimicrobial agents, but will not stop mold from growing. Simply by cleaning your stone on a regular basis and having it correctly cleaned will prolong the life of your stone and help keep it cleaner for longer.